Hi, this is John at Lankford Mountain Woodworking. Today we're going to plane some over 100-year wormy chestnut barn boards that came out of a barn somewhere in western North Carolina. They've it's never seen a planer before. They were rough sawn. I'm sure they went straight on the barn from there. And we're going to plane them down to dimension. They've been denailed, so we don't have to worry about that, but we'll still double check where it looks like it possibly could be one. So here we go. Pretty nice looking. You know, it's got the wormholes from where the blight got into it back in the early 1900s, and of course the forests were all destroyed and they had to cut all the trees down or lose them. So a lot of them were cut down, and anything you needed to build, they built with it. A lot of barns, but it's become valuable because there's not much of it left anymore, and we like to keep some on hand. Alright, there's a dress 1x8, about 5 foot tall, ready for somebody to make a project out of.